Welcome back to Crush the Box, everybody. I'm your host, Booyah. Today, we are going to be opening up a Delta Power Equipment Corporation 6-inch variable speed grinder. Alright, before we open this up, let me tell you something real quick. That this is my third one. My first one lasted me, I'd say, a good 3 years. Alright, my second one lasted me 4 months. So, what I recommend, if you buy this, alright, and you're going to do the amount of blades that I do, or if you're going to do a good amount of grinding, I would definitely get the warranty, if not from Lowe's or wherever you get. I got this one from Lowe's, but I went 4 months, 4.5 months, and didn't do the warranty thing. Not thinking I'll have to buy another one. Not, like I said, 130 something bucks. It's a drop in the bucket, but still, it's a cost. I would have gotten a brand new one if it would have happened. So this time I got the damn 2-year warranty. All right, live and learn. I never got a warranty on nothing before because it's all it is, a piece of shit, right? But either way, here it is, the Delta box. Is it a good grinder? I love the grinder. How it's set up, it's strong. Just for some reason they keep on breaking down. So let's crack her open. Now this one has the light on it, has a whole bunch of other stuff that I really don't use. I use my grinder for 2 things and that's pretty much it. I don't really put the shields on it, which it's, you know, you should put the shields on. You know, if you don't know what you're doing, or even if you know what you're doing, saves your eyes. Okay, nice box. It is, as I said, they ship this bad boy solid as solid can be. And it's not light. Okay, here she is. Cord. For the light. Okay. Now, the good thing with this one, if you can see through, 1, 2, 3, 4, goes straight through, okay? And what you do is you put holes inside of your workbench, okay? And inside that workbench, you drop the holes, you measure them off. Actually, the best way to do that is to set it where you're going to want it. Make your mark with a marker, a black marker, or whatever color, but best one to use is usually the black one, okay? And you really put it in there through there good. Open her up, drill her through, okay? And then you're going to set it. Now, like I said, this is the third one. They haven't changed. So, what you do is you're going to take one of these, okay? So I'm going to do one for instance, just to show you. Alright, and I do the wing nuts, it's just easier for me to handle. Alright. And a lot of times, what I also do is I'll use my hammer jack to put it back up in there. Just saves, it just time saving. And when it's on, it doesn't move no more. Okay? Okay? And yeah, even during these we get texts. Alright. Alrighty. Now a lot of guys, when they doing mowing, they'll send their blades off to get sharpened. Don't know why. You do this at the house, cheap, easily. Yep. I don't really need this here. Like I said, this is for the guys who do blades all day long. And I like to have it more of a spot here so I can really get that blade sharp. Some people don't like it too sharp. I'm the opposite on that part. There's another one there. Literally lined up dead on the same every time. Hopefully this is the last one I gotta buy for at least 3 years. And I understand these things are gonna go bad. Trust me, I do. I'm not expecting it to be, last forever. But man, longer than a couple years, I think. Definitely longer than 4 or 5 months. But again, when it's working, it's a beast. And for the price of assuming, I haven't really looked at other places. I got one from Harbor Freight years and years ago, and it just didn't do me right. And maybe because Lowe's is right down the street, or maybe because I just have this one lined up dead on, so I don't have to go screw it in, mess around with the holes. But that's about it right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this for 1 minute. I'm going to tighten these up so you don't got to waste seam. Oh, you know what? We'll do one right now. Get the right screw for it. My guy put this magnet one, and when you put it down, he put it down wrong, so I have to go inside and get it. Okay, we got this. Let me get a. Okay, hold on guys, I'm going to have to pause you. My daughter's home, I got to open a garage. Alright everybody, I'm back again. Here we go. I just got a call. I'm making this video during the time of the coronavirus, okay? And this video I'm making, we're just starting to get some calls from people. My wife, a lot of her in-law, a lot of her family still live in Italy. So we're getting messages from there, and they've just shut down pretty much New York City, and parts of Jersey, or all of Jersey, they're having a curfew. So it's getting a little weird out there. Definitely not normal. All right, but that's another conversation for another time. Let's get back to this beast. All right, so here we go. You put the clamp on, you line her up. Where's she at? Easy peasy, onesie, twosie, threesie. Alright? think this is the one where I learned my lesson last time. Yeah, we'll see here in a minute. All right. Without having that grinder for about 4 days, my whole area's become a damn. So without having my grinder for about 4 days, this is how many blades build up. So it literally has become a hot mess. Not sure if it overheated. You know, we could do about 7 or 8 sets of 3. So that's 7, 14, 21, 18, 20, no, 24, 21, 24 blades at a shot. Alright. Right out of the box, here we roll. And up there she goes. Nice and quiet. Grinds away. I'll take a set real quick. I just have my glasses on for now. That's all the way on high. That's lower down. And we'll crank her up there a little bit. See that? A lot of times I wear a glove on this hand so I don't get cut up right here. So, do one more time here. That's it. Alright, and she's sharp as sharp can be. Well, the light does work, but here it is. That's the Delta 6-inch variable speed grinder. Does a good job when it's working. Let's hope this one lasts. Today is the 16th of March 16th, 2020. And let us see how long she lasts. I'm going to put this one on Facebook, not on Facebook, on YouTube, probably on a few other places. And then if I'm able to add on to it, I'm not 100% sure. We'll see how it goes later on, let's say a year later or 6 months later. And then we'll see how far this one goes. Hey, guys, ladies, gentlemen, thank you. Thank you very much for watching Crush the Box. Thank you for visiting and seeing what I do on certain things here. And stay safe. Enjoy. Hug the ones you love. Booyah.